Okay, for this problem, it says a salesman earns $50,000 in commission in his first year. But then his commission gets reduced by 10% the second year. Okay, so year one, first year, he's at $50,000. The second year, his $50,000 is reduced by 10%. That means 10% of the $50,000. So 10% of $50,000 is $5,000. So at the end of his second year, his commission was only $45,000. Okay, so let me just highlight some things here. $50,000 at the end of his first year, that's that. Then that amount is, then his commission is reduced by 10% the second year. So you take 10% of the $50,000, which ends up being $5,000. So now at the end of his second year, he is making $45,000 because that's 10% less. Okay, now what percent increase, so now we're up to the third year, what percent increase in commission over the second year? So you're looking at the $45,000 and they want to know what percent increase. So you're going to add a percent increase, we'll just call that P, of the $45,000. And we want to know what that's going to be in order to have a total of, now I think I'm going to run out of room here, 56,250. I'm off the screen, I think. Sorry about that. So that's basically what we're looking at is, let me move it to the left, $45,000 plus, you're going to take some percent P of the 45,000. You're going to multiply those together. And I think it looks better when I write it 45,000 times P, so that will equal 56,250. So he wants to bring it back up. As it dropped in his second year, he now wants to bring it up to 56,000 in his third year. So he's got some making up to do. And in order to solve this, I'm just going to use algebra. You can use your graphing tool if you want, because it's a word problem, but I'm just going to do the algebra. That cancels out on the left, so I'm left with 45,000 P is equal to 11,250, and now I'm going to divide off the 45,000 on both sides. Okay, so that cancels, and P is going to equal 0.25, and when you come up here and look in my math lab, it says blank percent, so multiply this times 100 and your answer is going to be 25%. And let me just go back to my math lab and verify that. 25. I just need a positive affirmation for the day. There we go. Nice work. Hope that helped.